What's up, icons? It's the iconic fashion figure back with a new video. So this video is going to be a quick one. I just wanted to quickly get you guys' opinion on something before I go into recording a bunch of videos that no one wants to see. But I've gotten a few DMs in regards to designing your own clothing line or either selling your clothing wholesale. So I considered doing a series on, starting from the very beginning of creating your own line and selling it, whether it's retail or wholesale. But before I go into recording all those videos, I wanted to see, is that something you guys want to even see? Or is it just a select few of people that is looking for that information? So if that's something you're interested in, whether it's designing your own line or selling wholesale, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section so I know to go ahead and start recording that series. And I'll make sure it is a series where I go step by step explaining in detail, because I know if I just do one video on it, I'll start getting DMs asking questions to go more in depth on things, and I'd rather just do it as a whole for everyone versus responding to all these messages one by one, because it takes a lot of time. So if it's something you're interested in, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment to let me know to go ahead and start recording those videos for you guys. When I actually started doing my wholesale business, I did record some footage from the very beginning, but not necessarily for YouTube. It was more so for my own personal use, just so once I actually got somewhere with my business, those videos I can go back to and look back at like where I started at and where I've gotten to from there. So I definitely will share all that information with you guys on how to get started with doing your own line, your own brand. But I just want to make sure it's something everyone's interested in. If you prefer to just buy wholesale, don't worry, I'll continue on with that journey as well, providing you guys with information on just buying wholesale and reselling, just as I've been doing, but then I'll also do this series as well for designing your own line. Let me know in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll talk more about it next week.